Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get the activated style for Wolverines trophy. Like anything, please like and subscribe, it'll mean a lot to me. Okay, as we see here, this is Wolverines trophy and the activated style is currently locked. And I'll be showing you guys how to unlock it in this video. And yeah, so first we want to get into like a solo match, team rumble match, or whatever match you want, arena if you want to, any match, it doesn't matter what. Then this is my combo I put on with it: lace, purple shell with the ring trophy with the merriment pickaxe. So you want to bring it over to exactly to my marker, onto that robot. This is me gliding over to it. You want to go land on the head of it, but there is no head, so on the hand where it would be, where I show you. Right here, as you see this hand right here, you want to land right here and walk forwards where his head used to be. As you see here, we found a lost challenge, a secret challenge, whatever you want to call it, and we have the activated style. So yeah. Now what you want to do, you either carry on the match, playing it, maybe win it, or you can just leave it. I'm just going to leave it because it's more simple. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of my YouTube video. It means so much to me. Please like and subscribe. It will mean so much to me. If you don't, it makes me very sad. But either way, I'll still be very, very happy for you watching to the end of my YouTube video. So yeah, anyways, here's my socials. Bye.